Today, our topic is that how to print odd numbers between two numbers, a starting point and ending point. So we will take a starting point as input from user and getting starting number, and after getting that input we will simply convert that input to integer. Similarly, we will take ending number, and after getting that starting and ending point we will loop through it using for loop uh, that start from start and ends at end. I mean any number that is saved at that variable end. So we will check if that number in each iteration when divided by 2 is not completely divisible by 2, then we will print out that numbers. uh, oh sorry, without that double quotation. So um, we know that definition of odd number, that odd numbers are those which is not divisible by 2 and even numbers are those which are divisible by 2. So we will simply check that if number in each iteration is not divisible by 2, means if divided by 2 and it leaves 0, then we simply print it out. So just test it. So enter a starting number. Let's give 10. Enter a ending number. So give it 1000. So it prints all number between that 10 and 1000 that starts from 11 and ends at 999. So that's how we can check. Sorry, we can print out odd numbers between a starting point and ending points. So that's it for today. Thank you.